All right, here we go again with another one. This is Aesop's Fables Part 3. So this I already started this one. I did the first step, which was to copy all the code from the last one, Part 2. Now we need to add these styles that they're asking for. So what they want you to do is create an animation called Open Book. All right, it's going to change. Remember the from. Oh, they even highlight. Look at that. They darkened it. So that's your big hint. Open book from to, and so it's kind of written out right here if you see it. So that's pretty cool. So let's do that. Um, let me. I don't want to have to keep going back and forth. I wonder if it's in the code. Let me see. I just copied. I didn't pay attention. Let's see. Oh, there it is. So I don't have to do much. I'm gonna just start up here. Just to make it easy for me, because I don't have to feel like typing all the way down. So here we go. So the first things first, right? We need to create an open book animation. So I'm going to start with my @ sign. Go back up at my @ sign for @ frames, right? Or what is it? Keyframes, right? And let you guys get, if you're trying to do this while you're watching the video or whatever. So there it is, @ keyframes. Now, what's the next step? Well, we need to identify what it is, right? Or define it or declare it. So they want us to use that one, open book. It's right here, it's in quotes, open book. So that we're gonna type that in. Again, you can type whatever, but this is what they're wanting, so you can get the idea of what's going on. Open book. Now, we're gonna go ahead and do the open bracket, and we'll begin our definition, right? We begin with from and to. From, right? Open bracket, close bracket. Now, we're gonna do what they want. The next step is the height. They want a height of 200 px. Next, they want you to add the from height, the width of 100. And it's 300 or 100 px. All right, so that's it. Now the next one is from what to, from to. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter, put that 2 in there. Open bracket, close it, and the same thing, right? But this time we're doing the opposite in terms of, well, let me see what they say. Height of 400 px, so height. So it's going from 200 to, so it's growing to 400 px. And the next one's going to be, let me see, the width of 300. There you go, 300. So now we've defined it. Okay, so the next step was we can put this wherever we want. Finally, the animate. Okay, it should. Okay, 3 steps. It should take 3 seconds to keep its final. So 3 seconds. Okay. And I thought I read something we can put it wherever. It doesn't say. So let's just put it on the first one. So here we go. Open book, right? So we're gonna go to we're gonna apply this to the first book. Let's use Lark. That was the first book. Remember? These were the books that was created. So if we run it, so now we're gonna go back to style, apply to the first book, Lark, right? And we're gonna put our cursor at the end of the semicolon. It's already identified by ID. Okay, so all we're gonna do now is we're gonna spell out animation, right? Colon, and now we're gonna specify open book because that's what we had defined, right? Open book. Next, we're going to type in the amount of time they wanted, which was, let me go back to the exercise, 3 seconds. So we're going to put, where's my, okay, there you go. So 3 seconds, right? So we'll go 3, small s, space, forwards. And there you go. And that should do it. That actually should be it. Whoa, that got really big. Look at that. Okay, now it's working. See, before it wasn't doing none of that. Okay, there you go. All right, so that's it. That's the answer pretty much. So we added that defined animation, the keyframes, as open book. We applied it to the first one, and that's it. You can continue that to each one and add different seconds if you wanted to. But that's it, guys. So if you have any questions, or if you're not sure if you did it right, or if you just didn't get the video but want to just go over it, that's cool too. Just send me an email. All right, until next time. Bye, guys.